welcome back. Let's see what we have in store for today. Alright, so this is a big G4500 express van. That's a cutaway van. And behind there is the heater motor, blower motor. And then up there is the resistor, rheostat, whatever you want to call it. So, looks like got to pull that guy out. 10 mil right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tools. I'll be right back. So 110 mil, and she popped out. This is a 2020, for anybody wondering. And the blower motor is easy. So we undo that little guy, and that one connector pops right out. And then looks like we have that one, and then there's one up there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. I'll be right back. Alright, old one, new one. So this is just pulled off like that. And then get it in that hole and get this little rubber band around. Hard to do it one-handed. Okay, so that's back in there. I'm going to go ahead and shove this thing in there, and then I'll be right back. So it basically fits in there one way. There are locators on there, so you know which way to put it. And that's it. It took me less than 5 minutes to do this. Obviously, we need to put this guy back in there, and it just slides right in there and bolts down right there. So, likes, subscribe, comment, questions, hit me up. Deuces, guys.